Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I tell you English conversation at the Masjid, so listen to me carefully. Number 1. Ali Assalamu alaikum Ahmad. Number 2. Ahmad wa alaikum assalam. Ali, how are you? Number 3. Ali, I am good. Are you going to the Masjid? Number 4. Ahmad, yes, I am going for Maghrib prayer. Number 5. Ali, great. Let's go together. Number 6. Ahmad, did you perform ablution? Number 7. Ali, not yet. I will do it the masjid. Number 8. Ahmad, okay. Don't forget your prayer cap. Number 9. Ali, thanks for reminding me. Number 10. Ahmad, the masjid will be full. Let's hurry. Number 11. Ali, do you pray in the first row? Number 12. Ahmad, yes, I try. It's better. Number 13. Ali, some people read the Quran after prayer. Number 14. Ahmad, good idea. We can also pray. Number 15. Ali, I feel so peaceful in the masjid.